Hello everyone, welcome to Tips and Tricks in Practice. I am Murilo Tanaka, a geologist specializing in the MinePlan here at Prominas, and today's tip is how to import a point cloud from a .las file. So first we go here to the File menu, Create Point Cloud. We will open this window and we select the .las file we want to import. Next we select where the .hpc file will be saved. It will be generated at the end of the import. And if our .las file has any classification of terrain, vegetation, buildings, and water, we can create a filter here and import only what interests us. Next, we go to the color options, and we can choose if the visualization will be colored RGB, grayscale, or no specific colors. I will select RGB here because the file I am importing has color classification. If necessary, we can perform a coordinate transformation. So we enable it here and select a previously created transformation here in the coordinate system manager. Okay. And finally, we choose the resolution. I will leave it at 1 meter and you can click on convert. Here we see that the button turned into a percentage where we can monitor
it's a process.
the import process of our file. Finished. We can close this window. Right click where we want to create the visualization. New point cloud view. Here we can give it any name we want. We select the .hpc file and there it is. The visualization of our point domain is created. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.